All right, we're in the crazy bunker, confusing parking garage again. We have another elevator here. It's another Sbarbaro. We're on floor -1 this time. Somehow I guess I walked down a ramp. Pretty similar to the other one. Whoa. That is a massive floor indicator. That thing is actually huge. Well, I don't need to be wearing my glasses to know what floor I'm on. Even with my really bad eye, I can make that out just fine. Also, this is a hydro. Sbarbaro, 320 kilograms. Just the basic mad buttons. Anyway, that will be it. I think it'll just sit open. That's it.